Hi student, I am Mohammad Asim and I am teaching you O-level mathematics. We have completed 2 lectures of quadratic equations, but as I told you in last lecture that we still have some concepts which remain in exercise 1A. So let's start remaining concept. In first lecture, what I did to solve quadratic equation with the help of factorization called middle term break method, and in next lecture we solve quadratic equation when the equations are in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Today we are going to start next concept, which is called solving quadratic equation with the help of completing square method. But before we start to solve quadratic equation of this type with the help of completing square method, first have a look what is actually a completing square. To understand the concept of completing square, we should do question number 3 of exercise 1A, book 3, 7th edition. So question number 3 is express each of the following expressions in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. There are many expressions given in question number 3 from part A to part H, and we have to convert all expressions in this form: x plus something like a, b, c or whatever to whole square plus b, where a and b are constants. How to convert? Take for example part A. Part A is x square plus 12x. Then how to convert this x square plus 12x in this form? We should learn about two formulae, that is, one is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b square. You have already learned in lower classes, class 6 and 7, these two formulae. So we will take help from these two formulae to convert this expression x square plus 12x in this form. How? It's very easy. In each and every part you have to focus the coefficient of x. This is x square remains x square. We have to focus what is written with x, called the coefficient of x. In this case the coefficient of x is 12. So we always divide the coefficient of x by 2. 12 upon 2x. I repeat again. X square write as it is and divide the coefficient of x by 2. Always divide by 2? Yes, always divide by 2. Only 2. Now, what you are seeing, the coefficient of x 12 upon 2. You have to add 12 upon 2 square with plus sign and 12 upon 2 square with minus sign. Okay, for your comfort I repeat again all steps. In any questions which we have to convert in a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form, we divide the coefficient of x by 2. Whatever we get after dividing by 2, like in this case we get 12 upon 2. So we have to add 12 upon 2 square and minus 12 upon 2 square. That's it. Now next step is, if this 12 upon 2 or something else is divide directly, like 2, 12 upon 2 is 6. So we have to write 6. Now focus this. 1, 2, 3. This is in the form of a square x square. This 12 upon 2 is showing 2ab, and this plus 6 square is showing b square. So if this a square plus 2ab plus b square is closed in the form of a plus b whole square, then this x square plus this 6 square is closed. X stands for x, stands for a, and this stands for 6 stands for b whole square. Minus 6 square is 36. This is our answer. That's it. Very easy. And now this x square plus 12x is completely transformed in required. What is required? To convert each and every expression in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. Look, x plus c whole square minus 36 plus b or minus. If your answer with plus or minus, no matter, your answer is correct. Okay, student? Okay, now take another part. Look at part B. X square minus 6x plus 1. Very easy. If you remember only one step. What is the first step? The first step is divide 2 by the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 6 divided by 2. Always divided by 2? Yes, always divided by 2. Then plus, place the plus sign. Whatever you get, the coefficient 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 whole square and minus 6 upon 2 whole square. And this plus 1 remains plus 1. And next step is x square minus 6 upon 2x plus. If this 6 upon 2 is cancelled directly, like 6 upon 2 is 3 square minus 3 square plus 1. What is this? A square minus 2ab plus b square. If this sign is minus, we have to apply a minus b whole square. If this sign is plus, we have to apply a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? X minus 3 square. What is this? 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1. X minus 3 whole square. 9 minus 1 is minus 8 is your answer. I hope you are enjoying this method and you feel that it's very easy. Take some more parts. Take part C. X square plus 3x plus 2. X square plus 3x minus 2. This is part C. What is the first step? The first step, divide 2 by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 3. 3 divided by 2. What is the next step? Place plus sign always. What do you get? 3 upon 2? 3 upon 2 square. Plus and minus. And this minus 2 remains minus 2. Don't touch this minus 2. And now see, because this 3 by 2 is cannot divide it, so just write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So your answer is x plus 3 upon 2 square minus 3 upon 2 square is 9 upon 4 minus 2, x plus 3 upon 2 square. 9 upon 4 minus 2 is very easy. 4 2 is 8, 8 on 9 minus 17 upon 4. This is our answer. I hope you understand how to convert the given expression in the form of perfect square. Okay, move to next part. The next part is, we have done C part D. D part is x square plus 9x minus 1. Again, x square plus, what is the coefficient of x? 9. Divide 9 by 2. Then put plus sign. What do you get? The coefficient right now, 9 upon 2. So 9 upon 2 whole square with plus, 9 upon 2 whole square with minus. And this minus 1 remains minus 1. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Because 9 upon 2 is in decimal form, so no need to write in decimal form. So x plus 9 upon 2 whole square. 9 upon 2 is 81 upon 4 minus 1. X plus 9 upon 2 whole square minus 4 ones are 4, 81 and 4 is 85 upon 4 is your answer. Why I increase my speed in these parts? Because I feel it's very easy method. So I am just finishing parts. This is part D. Now look at part E. X square plus 1 upon 2x. Okay, student, I repeat all steps again. What is the first step? The first step to write x square in this form. What is the second step? The second step is see the coefficient of x. Whatever the coefficient of x, you always divide by 2. And whatever you get the answer, you just write the answer. One is square with plus sign and one is square with minus sign. Moving forward to next step, first we have to simplify. 1 upon 2 upon 2 is 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon 4 square. This is part E. The next part is this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The answer is a plus b whole square. This is your answer. Minus 1 upon 4 is 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. This is your answer. Move to next part. What is part F? Part F is x square minus 2 upon 9x. Again x square. What is the coefficient of x? 2 upon 9. You always divide by the coefficient of x, divide by always 2. I hope you remember. 2 upon 9 upon 2x. Write with plus sign 2 upon 9 upon 2 whole square with minus sign 2 upon 9 upon 2 whole square. So x square 2 upon 9 upon 2 is 2 upon 18. 2 upon 9 upon 2 is 2 upon 18 square. 2 upon 18 square. Before we move forward, okay, you can also write direct answer. For example, this a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square minus 2 upon 18 whole square. One step is still remain because these 2 and 18 are cancelled. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 1 upon 9 whole square minus 2 upon 18 is 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9 square is 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81. This is your answer. I hope you understand. Next part. Excuse me. Next part is G. X square plus 0.2x. Student, I already told you there is no concern whether the coefficient is in fraction form or in whole number form or in decimal form. You always divide the coefficient of x by 2. X square plus 0.2 upon 2x. 0.2 upon 2 square minus 0.2 upon 2 whole square. And the next step is a plus b whole square minus 0.2 upon 2 whole square. Actually, we have converted our question in required form, but this 0.2 upon 2, if I simplify 0.2 upon 2, it will better to write the answer in simplification form. So what is 0.2 upon 2? If we multiply by 10 and divide by 10, we get 2 upon 20, that is 1 upon 10. So our answer is x minus 1 upon 10 square minus 1 upon 10 square. X minus 1 upon 10 square. 1 square is 1, 10 square is 100. This is much better to write in this form. Next part, last part, h. X square minus 1.4x. What is the first step? First step is to divide the coefficient of x by 2. 1.4 upon 2x plus 1.4 upon 2 whole square minus 1.4 upon 2 whole square. What is your answer? A minus B whole square minus 1.4 upon 2 whole square. This is your final answer. But what I told you in this part G, write the answer in simplified form. So if we find the answer, 10 by 10 multiply and divide, so answer is 14 upon 20, which is 7 upon 10. So your answer is x minus 7 upon 10. Instead of write 1.4 upon 2, it is much better to write 7 upon 10 whole square minus 7 upon 10 whole square, or x minus 7 upon 10 whole square minus 49 upon 100, because 7 square is 49 and 10 square is 100. So students, this is our today's class, and I hope you understand all the concepts, that how to convert the given form in perfect square form. Question number 4 is to solve the quadratic equation with the help of completing square method, because those types of equations cannot be solved by the method of factorization. But right now we have learned how to convert the given equation in perfect square form. So question number 4 will be very easy for you, because you have already learned the conversion of the given expression into quadratic form. But wait for next lecture. We will complete exercise 1A, last question number 4, and remaining questions in next lecture. Never miss next lecture. Student, kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos to your other friends, family members as well. Hope you enjoyed today's class and you are enjoying and feeling much better to taking my class. Okay student, see you in next class.